The best Samsung Galaxy S8 cases and Galaxy S8 Plus cases. Finding a Samsung Galaxy S8 case is easy, there are plenty for sale online. But finding the best Samsung Galaxy S8 cases, or Galaxy S8 Plus cases, is a completely different matter. Here are the best Samsung Galaxy S8 cases and Galaxy S8 Plus cases we've found so far. 1. Samsung Galaxy S8 Super Thin Case by Peel. The case for people who hate cases. This Samsung Galaxy S8 Super Thin case is for you if you're even the least bit reluctant to cover up your new S8. Coming in a few different colors, each adds a nice touch to the S8's forward-thinking design. 2. Samsung Galaxy S8 Clear View Standing Cover. The best case for watching video on your big phone. This Samsung Galaxy S8 case has a translucent cover envelopes the entire phone and provides a see-through window for the time and date, incoming calls, music controls and lock screen notifications. On top of that, it doubles as a stand so you can easily watch movies in landscape mode. 3. Samsung Galaxy S8 LED View Cover. 54 LED icons light up your case. This is Samsung's fun Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus case that shines LED lights through the translucent cover. There are 54 special icons and you can have limited control over the phone without having to open up the cover. 4. Samsung Silicone Cover. Smooth silicone outside, microfiber inside. This is the most standard case Samsung makes. It has a smooth, rubberized feel on the outside and a microfiber interior to keep your phone scratch-free. It protects your phone and gives you several bright color options. 5. Samsung Alcantara Cover. Wrap your Galaxy S8 is a suede case. Samsung's premium Alcantara case feels like suede with a soft, textured material that extends all the way around the phone. You even get a slight lip around the display in order to avoid scratching the front glass when the phone is face down. 6. Samsung Clear Cover. The official clear case you want. Let your Samsung Galaxy S8 true color and slim design shine through this clear case. It's 0.8mm thin, so there's not much extra bulk to this bumper case. It's protection without the distraction. Samsung Clear Cover. 7. OtterBox Defender and Commuter Cases. Tough cases for the Galaxy S8. OtterBox makes heavy-duty Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus cases, so you're getting drop protection from the incredibly rugged Defender and almost as durable Commuter series. Both have a polycarbonate shell and synthetic rubber slipcover. 8. Emhape Galaxy S8 Cases. 22 different Emhape S8 cases. Emhape already has 22 Galaxy S8 cases available, and another 22 for the Galaxy S8 Plus, so here are our favorites. The Carnaby has a soft fabric back that reminds of us Emhape's stylish backpacks. Stowaway gives you a pocket for up to 3 credit cards, and Haven provides protection from 6-foot drops. Not enough? Emhape also sells 2 different glitter cases. 9. Casiology Galaxy S8 Cases. 4 S8 cases, from thin to rugged. There are 4 Casiology Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus cases, and they're all fairly inexpensive. The Casiology Coastline is the company's basic clear polycarbonate case for minimalists. The Parallax case provides stylish grooves in addition to protection. The Vault Eye case is meant to be slim armor, and the Legion case is all about offering rugged protection without compromise. 10. Spec Galaxy S8 Cases. Cases that don't show off. Spec is best at offering Samsung cases with slim designs and just enough protection to get you through your first year or 2 with the phone, until you trade it in. We like the new Presidio case for exactly that reason. 11. Case-made Galaxy S8 cases. Mesmerizing waterfall cases. 12. Lifeproof Galaxy S8 cases. Army-grade protection. Lifeproof's Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus cases bring your Android phone up to Army-grade standard thanks to the military standard 810G516.6. 13. Tech21 Galaxy S8 cases. Inexpensive and get the job done. There are 6 Samsung Galaxy S8 cases from Tech21, with the cheapest being the Pure Clear case and 3 Evo cases, Evo Active Edition, Evo Check, and Evo Tactical.